In this video, you'll learn the vocabulary for Chapter 5. The sign bed. Sometimes you'll see bed, but more commonly with one hand. Bedroom, the sign bed and the sign room. You'll also see room with R's, the room, so bedroom. A blanket, like the idea of the blanket's down here and you're pulling it up to cover up yourself. A chair, double tap, or a seat. Door, door. The sign dryer, like your washer and your dryer, is usually the sign dry, but sometimes you'll also see dryer, like how we have the person agent, the ER. A lot of times you'll see that added in dryer or just dryer. Furniture, your furniture. Home is where you eat and where you sleep. Home. It can also be done this way as well. Home. House, or your residence. A house shape. House. A key. Key. To lock, or to lock up. Lock up. Lock up. Kitchen. So this is the sign cook. So with a K, kitchen. Lamp or light. The sign in the book is more like light on. So lamp or light. A mirror. Mirror. Radio. Radio. REF, you'll see for refrigerator, like the lexicalized, or you'll see refrigerator, just cold, or with R's even, refrigerator. Again, room, sometimes with R's, but generally not, room. Table. Table. Telephone, just phone. TV. TV. TV, TV, TV. This can be toilet. It can refer to urine or potty, bathroom. I'm good with the bathroom. Washing machine. Washing machine. A window. Window. A blouse. This can also sometimes be used like for sweater. Buttons, like having buttons down the front of your shirt or down your arm. Buttons. Your clothes, or this can even be used for costume or what you're going to wear, how you're going to dress. Suit, I would probably spell out. He's wearing a suit. Your coat, like pulling it on, or jacket, can also be done with your thumbs out, your coat or your jacket. Gloves, like you're pulling them on, gloves. The general hat, but you can also have like a beanie you're pulling on, a hat with a brim, or just, pulling on a baseball cap. Having a necktie or a tie, either way. Pajamas is sleep clothes, pajamas. And then pants. Pants, usually from the bottom to here. Pants, or trousers, slacks, jeans. Sometimes you'll also see pants or pants, but a lot of times you'll see pants. A pocket, like you're sticking something in your pocket. A pocket on the arm. Purse, like you're holding a purse. A ring, like sliding on a ring. A scarf, like you're wrapping it around. Shirt, by just grabbing like the side of your sleeve, or sometimes you'll see t-shirt. Sign shoes, shoes. A skirt, just going straight out, a skirt. Or sometimes even like that. skirt, showing the length of your skirt. Socks. This can also be used for stockings or hose. Socks. Umbrella, like opening up an umbrella, closing an umbrella. Umbrella. And then zipper, or like to zip up your jacket.